That's my best friend.
Okay, someone just rung the doorbell. Let's see who that could be. Oh yes, my Vitamix is finally here, you guys. Okay, so let's unbox it and see what's inside. Bear with me, you guys. I have trying to unbox this using one hand. So as you saw in my prior video, I talked about the discount I received when I purchased the Vitamix. That sale was until the 28th, but I'm sure they'll be having more sales because of the holiday season. So stay tuned. But go check out that video. Post the link right up at the top. So let's go inside. All right. So first we have here, which is the intro to high performance blending. Nice little book. It's pretty cool. Vitamix series. Looks like some more pamphlets in the back along with maybe like a DVD or something. It's pretty cool. I cannot stand styrofoam. I mean, like, really, like, I don't even want to touch it. That's how much I hate styrofoam. I don't know why. It's always been a pet peeve of mine. So, ugh, I hate the way it sounds. Anybody else dislike styrofoam? Let me know in the comments and let me know why. Oh my God, so I got the red one. I love it. Oh, it's so beautiful. I forgot what you call it. It begins with a T, a tappa or something like that. I don't know. But anyway, the base, I don't know if I could pick it up with one hand. Hold on. Okay, you guys. So here it is. I had to turn off the video because I couldn't lift it with one hand. It was kind of heavy. But as you can see, it's very nice. I really like the picture. It's not too heavy. I was kind of concerned that it might be too heavy, but it's pretty nice. I love it. It has like this rubber surface here, on and off buttons, really heavy duty cord. I cannot wait to make some smoothies. So I'm going to look at the recipe book, see what's going on with it, and maybe I'll make a smoothie. Maybe I'll come back and do a video and show you guys the smoothie I made. All right. But again, I will put in the link, in the video, the link that I made the prior video for getting a Vitamix just over $200. And you guys could watch that. I'm sure they're having some more specials since the holiday season is coming up, but I know that one was over on the 28th of October. But keep checking back. All right.